Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document. To begin with, we need to open up our Microsoft Word program. From here, on the left-hand side, we'll click Open. And we can browse for wherever the file is that we're locating that we want to convert from a PDF to a Microsoft Word file. The other way to do this is simply take a PDF file that you wish to convert, drag it into this area. As you see, we get a pop-up box that what this is telling us is that it's going to convert our PDF file into a Word document. It will take longer depending on the size of the PDF file, but it will also be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it may not look exactly like your original PDF. Say OK. And now we have a PDF converted to a Microsoft Word document file that we can edit. We can edit it, we can manipulate it using the functions of Microsoft Word. We can save it as you would just any other normal Microsoft Word file. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.